You're caught up in nothing, wasting your time chasing stars. You live in the moment, carried away from who you.
Back to another vlog. If you guys are new, I'm your girl Jaleesa Graham. If you're returning, hey. You guys know that I love and appreciate you for always coming back and supporting me. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. Go over on Instagram, follow me at Jaleesa Graham, and make sure you guys hit that bell notification so that you're notified when I have new content. Yesterday I didn't vlog yesterday, but yesterday all the kids had dentist appointments. So they all got like their cleanings and stuff, and yesterday we did haircuts, and Nick got his hair retwisted. They all got shape ups and stuff like that, so it was kind of like a busy day yesterday. Hoping for a slower day today, but yeah, come along with me on this little day in the life, and I'll be back with y'all when I get to my eyebrow place.
This crazy room, there's no one to save me, 'cause I'm on my own here, yeah. Tears are falling on my cigarette, and no one can hear me, and you let me down so I can call you. I don't need help, babe, I won't fall into the same thing, 'cause I just live this. I want a healing. Please don't hurt my feelings.
Let me take my little scarf off. I got the boys, kids, dads bathrobe on. All right, I'm in my comfortable house clothes, y'all. I don't know why it's so high. I'm in the baby's room, sneaking to get away from my children. Just want to show you guys some of the PR packages. Here she come, y'all. Now, what can I do for you? Cheese. Thank you. Do it now. Let me just do it now. All right, so this is from Keys. No, what's this?
Sky.
The sky. Yeah, she said sky. That's the moon.
Hey guys, it's water the best.
Oh, she said, hey guys. Okay, sit down with mommy. Okay. Sit down with mommy. Thank you, mommy. Okay. Say hey guys. Say hey guys. Say hey guys. You gonna do a video with mommy? Okay.
Sit down.
Yes, sit down. So I got a PR package from Keys, so skincare, which is Keys Soul Care, and it's from Alicia Keys skincare line. She sent me PR packages before, and I got the Protect Your Light Daily Moisturizer, Let Me Glow Illuminizing Serum, and the Truly Becoming Multi-Benefit Peptide Serum. So I got these three products. Oh Jesus. It came in really cute packaging, but I've opened it already. This. Let me do it like that. This. Okay. And then, did I show you this one? This one. And then she also gave me, this is the first time that they've sent me this. You see, I've been using it. It's the Keys Soul Care Sacred Body Oil. Love me a good body oil. Thank you, mommy. She's helping me, y'all. And then I also got this candle, which I haven't lit yet. And it's just a Keys Soul Care candle. It kind of includes you, but I can't.
Oh, what's that?
What's that? I don't want to show you. Red. Yeah, she sees the recording button. Like, they can see your puffs, mommy, okay?
Oh,
but
what's
sit.
that?
Well, we're going to show them, okay?
Red.
Red. Yes, the box is red. I was gifted these Ray-Ban, they're like Facebook smart glasses. All right, you sit there, mommy, okay? With your glasses.
Hey guys, I want it, baby.
This one I'm not going to show y'all just yet. I have like 3 boxes over here that I'm actually not going to show y'all, right? Why would I show y'all the box and tell y'all about it if I wasn't going to show y'all? But I'm basically not going to show y'all that because those come with an announcement that I have not made yet, okay? This is something else I got from my Godson's mom. I got these off of TikTok. Oh, girl. Y'all. What's that? Be careful, you said? Beautiful. She said these are beautiful. Beautiful. Good job. Lycra, I did a brand deal with them before and they sent this to me. Go show Miss Rachel. Where's your Miss Rachel doll? Yeah, go find Miss Rachel. And they sent me this cute box. They gave me a Stretch Lab gift card. Go ahead, mommy. Go get that for me. Go get the doll. And that's like I have to look it up. It's like a stretching place that you go to. I'm not sure. But they have one by my house. Never heard of it before. Beautiful. 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 She likes the teeth gems, y'all. I just don't want her to walk in front of the camera. They gave me some socks. I don't know what this is. A headband. I guess this is like for working out. They gave me a couple pair of biker shorts. They gave me, thank you, mommy. They gave me some Kalia leggings. Yes, girl, y'all, I cannot.
Hey guys, I want the picture.
She's saying after she's saying hey guys, but she's definitely saying hey guys, something.
Hey guys, I want the picture.
Oh, thank Good Molecules gifted me. They're always sending me skincare stuff. I'm loving Good Molecules. They sent me a brightening and dark spots bar. So usually when they have new skincare products, they send it to me. So this is what they sent me. I haven't tried it yet. I've been trying to keep all my PR packages closed until I could show y'all. Good Molecules. I love them. I love when brands send me stuff. Like I'm like, this is like how you can see, guys, even if you're a small content creator, you can still get a lot done, baby. You see, they sent me Good Molecules. Gifted this. It's called Blueberry. I've actually didn't care about it until the brand reached out to me, and they provide like medical care virtually for you and everyone in your household. So they gave me a free like year subscription. So basically, I haven't used it yet, but they have like doctors and nurses, and you just kind of go on the app and you set up appointments, like if your child is sick or whatever. And from my knowledge, I haven't used it yet. How it works is like you put in your request to see a doctor and you make your appointment, and then it's like a video call and you tell them the symptoms and things like that. And then they, which is like very similar to how all doctors' offices were doing during COVID. And it covers like all your kids in your house, and you can, the doctor also can like prescribe you things for your symptoms that you're having. So it's really cool. It's all virtual. It's all online, and they have on the app, you see like all the doctors that they have. It has like descriptions of the doctors, like where they went to school and things like that. So they had just sent me this like medical kit, everything you need to turn your living room into a care clinic, and it just shows everything that's like in the box. And it's like, welcome to Blueberry, to support parents during those stressful moments when your child needs a helping hand. As parents, we know making the decision of which doctors to trust is not taken lightly. Thank you for the great privilege of supporting your family, your friends at Blueberry. And it's just like a welcome to Blueberry cord. Sent me this little bag. And then inside they have all these like tools, like not stethoscope, don't get me the line. These are the tools, y'all. Pulse oximeter, thermostat, y'all see it. And I guess you would use these like when you do make your appointment. If the doctors that you're on the video call need you to use one of these, you use them and they send it to you. And like I said, I have 3 packages that I'm not going to show y'all yet until I make an announcement for y'all on some other content things that I have coming up. So I'll share that with you. That's the other packages that I got, but I'm going to be working on those, so I can't show y'all that. But yeah, I've really been wanting to just show y'all these. I feel like there's a box missing. I had all of these in the top of my closet for the longest time. This just came today from my godson's mom. I've been waiting to like burn this candle. I want to do a little reel with my Keys skincare stuff. So check that out and be looking for that on my Instagram. And who's that, mommy? You want to show them? She wants to show y'all this. She got a new Miss Rachel sweatsuit. Right, girl? Who's that?
Rachel.
Rachel. What color? Watch this, y'all. What color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow. What color is the star?
It's white and blue.
White and blue. What is this thing? Is that a circle? What's that?
Star.
That's a star. What color is this?
Gray.
Gray. That's my girl. Sorry, what color is that?
Green.
Green. That wants me to tickle her. Come on, little girl.